At Volvo, every second matters. This commitment to time efficiency is at the heart of our operations, so we've integrated the TaktBoard application at our Durban plant.
Let's explore how this technology enhances our production lines. The Takt-Board is designed for excellence in Takt-Time management. With station status monitoring, our team leaders have a real-time visual guide to the heartbeat of the production floor. Every element of the Takt-Board is designed to improve workflow and productivity. Each function is tailored to enhance our manufacturing process, from managing assembly tasks to tracking chassis data and ensuring material availability. Walking through our plant, you'll see various stations marked with real-time color-coded status indicators. Green signifies completion, red alerts to delays, and gray shows ongoing processes. The application is not just about monitoring, it's about active management. Our production administration feature allows for real-time adjustments to production schedules and targets, ensuring we meet our ambitious quality and time standards. Enhanced communication is another cornerstone of the Takt-Board. With user interaction and alerts, our teams can coordinate more effectively, addressing any bottlenecks swiftly to maintain our flow of operations.
At Volvo, we believe in harnessing technology to make every second count. The Takt-Board is more than a tool. It's part of our commitment to quality and efficiency. Join us as we continue to innovate and lead in international manufacturing.